them. Sorry guys, we tried with some other people. They've been trying to like get in our place. So we tried to lock them out. Other people are coming!
You definitely did not lock. You definitely locked me out.
Sorry.
We are so sorry. Hey, you got me!
Okay, there we go.
Stop!
Shut up, you stupid butt! I have no idea what I said.
Okay,
Hey, that's my friend!
No, I got her. She's my friend. Wait.
Okay.
Is she in here?
I have to get out.
No. I don't want her in here. I just wanted to say hi to her.
Nobody come in our house! Our house is disgusting! Lots of naked people in here! Literally! People are getting changed in here.
Excuse me.
You don't want to see us! What? Is Beatles here? An inhaler? I do!
What's an inhaler? An inhaler is when you read a lot.
I am the one who has an inhaler!
I don't have any.
I have an inhaler. I have no idea. I use one sometimes. I have an inhaler!
What?
I don't. I use one sometimes, but I'm not sure if I brought one. I'm gonna go ask her.
Okay, where did I put this picture?
Oh, we better lock that door.
Do not lock it because we're out there.
Just shut it.
You just shut it. So I don't want anyone to see this video.
And lock it. Lock it. I like it.
Oh, someone's coming! Someone's in our group.
I had to ask her because what I said is I use one sometimes for sports, but I'm not sure if I use one right now. If my mom brought me. Okay, guys, where are we gonna brush our teeth? Not to say what we did. I don't know. I actually don't know.
Where we go swimming, that's where we take the showers and it has a sink and we do all that.
Oh!
Okay.
Now we have a new liquid.
Yeah. And we're taking a shower this morning.
Make sure to
This
lock the
morning?
door. I don't think we should lock the door.
What do you mean this morning? Before our mom did?
No, because they told me a story because I was telling them to lock the door. And then they told me a story like 3 people got locked in here just because they locked the door. Let's unlock the back door.
Let's unlock it.
Oh, cool! This is going purple.
What? This is going to be for this. Well, this is what we do tomorrow. You want to try it?
Hey, did anybody else but me know what capers are?
Wow.
Anybody other than me know what capers are? 10 o'clock bedtime?
I lost one of yours.
10 o'clock bedtime? It's 9 for us. No, it's 9 for us. It's 9 for us, but You might hear me off my shirt.
You guys might hear me snoring.
I snore too. I snore when I snore. Oh gosh, I snore and I can hear myself. Cause I'm so loud that I can hear myself snore. Isn't that weird?
My pants are so wet, I can't take them off.
So did you unbutton them?
I would hate to be sleeping in the
No,
middle.
seriously, I'm that talented. I can take off my pants without unbuttoning them. See?
Not in front of work in bed all night.
Nothing but pain. Okay. I have a tan mark on my back that looks like a circle. What? I have a tan mark on my back that looks like a circle.
That's because you've been wearing your swimsuit.
Yeah, I know. It looks so weird.
Dirty laundry! Where's my dirty laundry? Oh, where did I put my shirt? Oh my god. What? Oh, here it is.
What if you had a
That's
a
somebody's
tripod?
And you just like, I should put on my pajamas. Cause like, all.
I need help finding it. Did anybody bring an iPod here?
No.
What? I was going to until they didn't let me. Who?
Because no cell phone.
You're not allowed cell phones, iPods, or anything
No,
valuable.
the iPod Touch.
You're allowed to bring iPods.
No.
You have a Facebook?
No. Everyone should have a Facebook.
Why?
Because it's awesome.
I'm not
You have
on
a
Facebook, but you shouldn't have one until you're whatever, like 13 or something like that. 12.
I know.
And technically
I know.
nobody's
A second grader who has a Facebook.
Yeah, that would be you.
You know, I'm still taking a video, you know.
Really?
I'm still taking a video.
Oh, huh.
Okay,
What?
listen away.
Now,
Oh
oh my god, how do you take that? My flashlight's not even on.
Whoa!
Or at least my flashlight's on the ground.
No, I put it on.
Naked!
No, I can't.
No,
see.
I'm not naked. I have panties on.
Oh, I forgot to put it on Jeff Voices.
You're naked-ish. Yeah, I'm naked-ish. You're ish. At least
Oh,
you
you're
have
naked
naked
noises
noises
that
that
we're all-
Yeah.
Okay, now I need it. There's my game.
Stop singing the song! I'm not gonna put my
Hold
pants on.
on, there's
I'm
my
ish
game.
naked.
I'm ish naked.
I'm not gonna put. I'm not gonna put my pants on.
I usually do this all the time. I'm only putting my dress. Oh, my dress carries on. So I don't have to put on pants.
It says no dresses.
No,
It
it
says no
says
dresses.
no
This is no
dress.
dress. says Facebook where you're going to.
Night people!
Well, anyway, which way? Down there.
Not people! I'm just laying down in my bed. I'm just sleeping.
What if somebody actually started sleeping?
Take a picture of me. Who wants to take a picture of me?
No, I can't cancel my video. I can take a picture of you.